Good evening. We will now take a look and test the Midland 1532 class by Bachmann. A development of the Midland Railway 1252, built between 1875 and 1876. The Midland Railway 1532 class was a class of 65 044 tank locomotives built at Derby Works between 1881 and 1886 to a design of Samuel Johnson. The model, 1273, is shown in post-1907 condition and was one of the early 1881-82 builds. One of the class, 1305, was transferred to the Somerset and Dorset Joint Railway in January 1921. It would, however, come back to the LMS in 1930. For 50 years, the 044s were the mainstay of the Midland suburban railway system. Some of the class made it into BR ownership, but all were gone by 1956. Sadly, none were preserved. The model is, as you can see, totally stunning. This was my first purchase from D-Rails and it arrived in perfect condition. For the first time I can recall, Bachmann have included a spare set of driving wheels fitted with traction tyres, should you wish to improve the haulage capacity of your loco. As well as these wheels, in the accessory pack are included cab doors to model the doors as closed, steam heat pipe and cab steps. The latter can only be fitted if the model is going to be kept as static. The loco also has a firebox glow, however the flicker function has been sadly reserved for DCC users. I wonder why, when Daypole have achieved this on their B4 tanks under analogue control. A big point to make is that the model is fitted with a coreless motor, so switch off your HF track cleaners and feedback control. After the required running in period, let's test her with some period coaches. Crawl test, not bad already. And so she heads off with 4 of these older Hornby coaches. A little slip, but nothing too bad. Now let's see how she gets on through the crossover. To be honest, 4 coaches are pushing it a bit on the sharper inner curves, so I've dropped her down to 3. Oddly, as time went on, her traction became a little more diminished. I've concluded this is due to grease on the rails, but possibly there will be room inside for a little lead to fix traction once and for all. I really want to avoid the traction tyres if I can. Just to prove she can shift if asked to. Now for some nice following shots with the Mobius camera. All in all, a really lovely loco. What do you think?